Green tea, with its earthy aroma and refreshing taste, has captivated people around the world for centuries. This ancient beverage, originating from China and Japan, has a rich history that spans thousands of years. From ancient rituals in the East, where it was revered not just as a drink, but as a spiritual and cultural practice, to modern cafes in the West, where it has become a trendy and beloved choice, this beverage has become a global favorite. The journey of green tea from the East to the West is a testament to its universal appeal. But green tea is much more than just a drink. It's a symbol of tranquility, mindfulness, and a connection to nature. It's a source of numerous health benefits, including antioxidants that help fight free radicals, improve brain function, and even aid in weight loss. A testament to the power of nature's healing touch. The lush tea plantations, where these leaves are carefully cultivated, are a sight to behold. Whether you're a seasoned tea enthusiast or a curious newcomer, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of green tea. Discover its rich history, from the ancient dynasties of China to the samurai traditions of Japan. Explore its incredible health benefits, backed by modern science and research. Learn about the various types of green tea, such as matcha, sencha, and gyokuro, each with its unique flavor profile and health properties, and learn how to easily incorporate it into your daily routine. From brewing the perfect cup to adding it to your favorite recipes, green tea can be a versatile addition to your lifestyle. Get ready to unlock the power of green tea and experience its benefits firsthand. Imagine starting your day with a calming cup of green tea, setting a positive tone for the hours ahead. Embark on a journey towards a healthier and more vibrant you. Embrace the allure of green tea and let it transform your life, one sip at a time. Green tea's origins can be traced back thousands of years to ancient China. Legend has it that Emperor Shennong, a renowned herbalist, discovered the drink serendipitously when tea leaves accidentally fell into his boiling water. Intrigued by the aroma and taste, he took a sip and was amazed by its refreshing and invigorating effects. Word of this magical beverage quickly spread throughout the empire, becoming an integral part of Chinese culture. From elaborate tea ceremonies to daily rituals, green tea was revered for its medicinal properties and ability to promote well-being. Over time, its popularity extended beyond China, reaching distant lands and captivating people across the globe. One of the most celebrated benefits of green tea lies in its remarkable ability to support cardiovascular health. Green tea is rich in catechins, powerful antioxidants that help protect your heart from damage. These antioxidants work by neutralizing harmful free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to heart disease. Studies have shown that regular consumption of green tea can help lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol levels, and improve blood vessel function. These factors play a crucial role in maintaining a healthy heart and reducing the risk of heart attacks and strokes. So, by simply enjoying a cup or two of green tea each day, you can take a proactive step towards safeguarding your cardiovascular health. Green tea isn't just good for your heart, it's also a boon for your brain. This ancient beverage contains a unique amino acid called L-theanine, which has been found to have calming and focus-enhancing effects on the brain. L-theanine works synergistically with caffeine, another active compound in green tea, to improve cognitive function. While caffeine provides an energy boost and enhances alertness, L-theanine promotes relaxation and reduces jitters, resulting in a state of calm focus. Studies have shown that green tea consumption can improve memory, attention span, and overall cognitive performance. So, whether you're facing a challenging work project or simply want to keep your mind sharp, reach for a cup of green tea and experience its brain-boosting benefits. Inflammation is a natural process that helps the body heal and fight off infections. However, chronic inflammation can be detrimental to health, contributing to various diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. Green tea, with its potent anti-inflammatory properties, can help combat chronic inflammation and protect your body from its harmful effects. The catechins in green tea, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, have been shown to effectively reduce inflammation throughout the body. EGCG works by inhibiting the production of pro-inflammatory molecules, thereby reducing inflammation and protecting your cells from damage. By incorporating green tea into your diet, you can help keep inflammation in check and support your overall health. Green tea and weight management. Aiding your wellness journey. Green tea has been cherished for centuries, not just for its delicate flavor, but also for its numerous health benefits. Today, we delve into how this ancient beverage can support your weight management goals. For those on a weight management journey, green tea can be a valuable ally. Its natural compounds work in harmony with your body to promote a healthier lifestyle. Imagine starting your day with a warm cup of green tea, setting a positive tone for the rest of your day. While green tea is not a magic weight loss solution, it contains compounds that can support your metabolism and aid in weight management efforts. The antioxidants in green tea, particularly catechins, play a crucial role in this process. These powerful compounds help to enhance your body's ability to burn fat. The combination of caffeine and catechins in green tea has been shown to boost metabolism and increase fat oxidation. This means that your body becomes more efficient at using fat as a source of energy, especially during physical activities like jogging, yoga, or even a simple walk in the park. Caffeine stimulates the nervous system, which can lead to a temporary increase in calorie expenditure. This boost in energy can be particularly beneficial before a workout, helping you to push through your exercise routine with more vigor and enthusiasm. Meanwhile, catechins, particularly EGCG, enhance fat breakdown and utilization. This means that your body is not only burning more calories, but also making better use of the fat stores it has. This dual action of caffeine and catechins makes green tea a potent addition to your weight management toolkit. Studies have shown that green tea consumption can lead to modest reductions in body weight and body fat percentage. These changes might seem small, but over time, they can add up to significant improvements in your overall health and well-being. Seeing progress, no matter how gradual, can be incredibly motivating. However, it's essential to remember that green tea is most effective when combined with a healthy diet and regular exercise. Incorporating green tea into a balanced lifestyle can amplify its benefits. So, enjoy your green tea, stay active, and nourish your body with wholesome foods. Together, these habits can pave the way for a healthier, happier you. Making green tea a part of your life. Incorporating green tea into your daily routine is easier than you might think. Whether you're a morning person or a night owl, green tea can seamlessly fit into your lifestyle. With its versatility and accessibility, there are countless ways to enjoy this health-enhancing beverage. From traditional hot brews to modern twists, green tea offers something for everyone. Start by brewing a cup of hot green tea and savoring its earthy aroma and refreshing taste. The process of brewing itself can be a calming ritual, helping you to unwind and relax. Experiment with different varieties of green tea, such as sencha, matcha, or genmaicha, each with its unique flavor profile. Sencha offers a grassy, slightly sweet taste, while matcha provides a rich, creamy texture. Genmaicha, with its toasted rice, adds a nutty flavor. If you prefer a cooler option, try iced green tea, a perfect thirst quencher for warm days. Simply brew your favorite green tea, let it cool, and pour it over ice. Add a slice of lemon or a sprig of mint for an extra refreshing twist. You can also get creative with green tea lattes, smoothies, or even green tea-infused desserts. The possibilities are endless. Green tea lattes can be a delightful alternative to your regular coffee, while green tea smoothies can be a nutritious start to your day. And don't forget about green tea desserts. From cakes to cookies, they add a unique flavor to your sweet treats. Remember to choose high-quality green tea from reputable sources to reap its full benefits. Look for organic options and check for freshness. High-quality green tea not only tastes better, but also retains more of its beneficial antioxidants and nutrients. So, next time you're at the store, take a moment to explore the different green tea options available and find the one that suits your taste and lifestyle best. Green tea. Your partner in health. Green tea, with its rich history and impressive health benefits, is more than just a beverage. It's a partner in health. From supporting cardiovascular health and boosting brain power to combating inflammation and aiding in weight management, green tea offers a holistic approach to well-being. By making green tea a part of your daily routine, you can take a proactive step towards a healthier and more vibrant you. Embrace the power of this ancient beverage and experience the transformative effects it can have on your health and well-being. Remember to listen to your body and consult with your healthcare provider to determine the appropriate amount of green tea for your individual needs. A word of caution: understanding the limits of green tea. While green tea offers numerous health benefits, it's important to consume it in moderation and be mindful of potential interactions. Green tea contains caffeine, which can cause anxiety, insomnia, and other side effects when consumed in excess. Pregnant or breastfeeding women, individuals with certain medical conditions, or those taking medications should consult with their healthcare provider before adding green tea to their diet. This video provides general information about green tea and its potential health benefits. It is not intended to provide medical advice. Please consult with your healthcare provider for any health concerns or before making any decisions related to your health or treatment.